If you are looking to get approved for a personal loan up to $50,000 with no documents needed, then you might want to watch this video. Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome to my channel where I bring you guys important information on how you can get approved for credit cards or business credit cards and personal loans and how to make passive income. In this video, we will be talking about the Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, I have done multiple reviews on Navy Federal Credit Union far as their credit cards, but today specifically, we will be talking about their personal expense loan. Now, I will highly recommend this personal loan only if you're looking to make a big purchase, just because the APRs for this loan. Now, this loan is good for auto repairs, moving and relocating, also vacations and major purchases. Now, if you're going to get this personal loan just to go get some fast food or any small things like that, I would not recommend, only if you're going to, again, make any kind of big purchases. Now, the good thing about this personal loan is you could be approved between $250 all the way up to $50,000. Now, with the Navy Federal Personal Expense Loan, you can get the terms up to 36 months and an APR between 8.99% all the way up to 18%. And then they have a second term that's between 37 to 60 months. And the APR for that is between 15.29% all the way up to 18%. Now, Navy Federal claims that you don't need a perfect credit score in order to be approved for this personal loan. But I do recommend, if you apply for this personal loan, to at least have a 660 credit score or a 700 and above. But there are reports that people with a lower credit score has been approved for the personal loan. But then again, Navy Federal does have their internal points, which is almost like your own personal credit score with Navy Federal. And those points ranges from 100 all the way up to 450. Now, in order to have a perfect or a good credit score with your internal points, I do recommend at least checking or calling to see if your internal points are above 250 in order for a good approval. And also, before you apply for this personal loan, I do recommend, if you have been at your job for 2 years or longer, they don't require any documentation, but they will look into how long have you been employed. So if you have been at your job less than a year, I would not recommend this personal loan. Also, they look at your overall credit profile. Again, it's not so much your personal credit, but your internal credit score with Navy Federal. Even though, again, they say your personal credit does not matter, but I do recommend having at least, again, a 660 or a 700 credit score and above to be able to be approved for this personal loan. Another requirement from Navy Federal is, in order to get this personal loan, you also must be a Navy Federal member. So if you have family or friends that's in the military or that did serve, you will be able to get in with having their access code. With the Navy Federal personal loan, there is no pre-approval. So if you apply for this personal loan and they do deny or accept your personal loan, you will result in a hard inquiry on your credit report. If your credit profile is locked with TransUnion, you might want to unlock your credit profile before applying for this personal loan. Now, there are a few ways that you are able to apply for this loan. You can either call them by phone and apply with the representative, or you can do it through your mobile app. So if you guys are looking for a personal loan all the way up to $50,000 with no documents needed, this can be the loan for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.